Hi, I'm James from VIEZU, and today in our workshop we've got a very special car. It's a Lamborghini Aventador SV. The customer has brought his hypercar to VIEZU Technologies for our expert team to extract some additional horsepower from the V12 engine in this Aventador. The standard software has some subtle burbles and the occasional hint of blue flame from the exhaust when it's very hot in the stock form. The customer has requested that these be transformed with the addition of pops and bangs on the overrun, along with a large amount of pronounced flame. With over 30 years of experience tuning engines, VIEZU's highly trained technicians use the latest equipment to make the complex series of connections to the engine control unit on this hypercar. The ECU, as it's more commonly known, contains the engine map data that our technical team need to download and modify to fully optimise the Aventador SV. The map data from the ECU is then analysed by the technical team in order to identify the necessary map areas for improvement and optimisation. Using the years of tuning experience, the technical team analyse the data logs and the dyno data in order to build the ultimate VIEZU performance file, incorporating all of the customer's requirements and unlocking the full potential of this hypercar. After uploading the new VIEZU performance file to the ECU, is then safely sealed and installed back into the car, ready for its final runs on the dyno. Another very happy customer with a hypercar that is now as loud as it is fast, pushing out an amazing 760 brake horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque. For all your tuning needs and requirements, from hypercar to hatchback, speak to one of our team today. Give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.